how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I'm already celebrating with my wine. It's already my birthday. I'm super excited. I just got done creating this beautiful look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned. I'm about to head out now to eat, celebrate for my big 3-1. But guys, please stay tuned and catch me on that side over there. Bye! We're going to begin with the makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using this palette right here, and this is the Crown Pro palette. And when I open it up, it's super beautiful. Look how gorgeous. These are for the people that don't want to do too much color, but they want to look very sassy, very elegant, very glamorous. So we're going to be doing this tutorial for you guys. So I already primed my eyes off camera, and I did my eyebrows off camera also. And what I use to prime my eyes, I use the P. Louise base, and this is Rumor 3. I love this primer. Love it, love it, love it, just because it sticks. All the colors sticks, and the colors are super intense on my eyes. I want to do like a smoky brown and like orangey colors, so I'm going to be using the darkest brown on my lid. I'm going to be using this brown right here. So I'm going to use a flat brush like this, and I'm going to grab that brown. This palette doesn't have names, so I'm just going to tell you the color. So I'm going to grab that brown, and I'm just going to pat it all over my lid. I want it to be super smoky and sexy. So all I'm doing is I'm going to be placing this all over the lid. This eyeshadow that I'm doing will look super pretty for nighttime. Like if you're going out for a hot date or a nice dinner date, or for a birthday, my 31st birthday. But if you guys wondering what I'm doing for my birthday, the kids, my 2 little babies, are going to my mom's house. They're spending the night over there, and I'm just going to enjoy my birthday alone with my husband. Maybe go out to eat, celebrate my birthday alone. That color is beautiful. I like it because it's so dark, but it's not black. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend that out a little bit. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit on top, just so it won't have that harsh line. And I'm just doing circular motion just to smoke it out. You just gotta take your time blending. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this orangey brown color right here, and I'm going to place that on my crease area. I'm going to use the same fluffy brush just like this, and I'm just going to place it right here on the crease. And just do circular motion. And all you have to do with this look is just keep placing the colors over and over again, just because you don't want to take the intensity out of the shadow. A cleaner brush just like this, a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab this lighter color right here, this one, this brown color. It's like a soft brownish color, and I'm going to place it on top where I placed that orangey brown, and then we're going to smoke it out. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the darkest brown, this one right here, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner just to darken that up, and then bring it up. And then I'm going to grab that fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out, circular motion. And then I'm going to grab that, what is it, like a brownish orangey color, and I'm going to place it back up again just to bring out that warmth back up here. We want that orangey brown back. And I'm just doing it really gentle and soft. I'm just blending it out. I'm going to grab a cleaner fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything out. I like that so far. I love that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wing. I'm going to use my Torturous, and this is from Tarte, and I'm going to use the liquid side. And this is in black. And I'm just going to do a wing. You know, I love me a nice wing. Just like that. I did a thick wing and I'm loving it. So beautiful. Alright, so this is how the eyes look. I did the wing, super cute. But you know what? It's my birthday and I want a little bit glam. So I'm going to be using this glitter right here, and I'm going to just make another wing using this glitter liner. I'm going to place the glitter on top of the black liner. All I'm doing is just tracing the same line of the black liner. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. While the lashes are drying up, I'm just going to prime my face, and I'm going to use the Watermelon Burst Hydration Primer from Sayate London. And I'm going to just prime my face using this. But that glitter just gave it a big pop. Like, I'm loving that. Alright, now I'm going to put the lashes on. I believe, yeah, it's a little tacky. Let me place my lashes on real quick. We're going to let that dry up a little bit. It was a little wet. But anyways, let's begin with the face. So let's see what I'm going to do on my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. See that? And this is in Warm Sand. I'm going to place that on my face. Now I'm going to use concealer. I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way, and this is Golden. Place that underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to set my underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the Marc Jacob, and this is the finishing line. We don't want those creases underneath those eyes. Now I'm going to bronze my face. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Cocoa Naughty. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put blush just to brighten up my face a little bit. And I'm going to use my favorite blush. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic, and this is Weekend Vibe. And I'm going to use the orangey tone. So I'm going to probably use the Georgia Peach and Just Peachy and put that on my cheeks. A peachy blush. So cute. And I can go overboard on this, but I don't care. Alright, so I'm going to just let that sit there for a little bit. We're going to finish underneath our eyes. I want a smoky eye underneath too, so I'm going to use this brown right here. And I'm going to place that underneath my eyes. I'm going to use this flat brush. Put it underneath my eyes. Look how cute is that? I love that. So I'm just going to leave it like that, and all I'm going to do is use the same pen underneath my waterline. I'm going to use my Tarte Torturous, and I'm going to use the pencil side in black just because I want that, just because I want it to be super dark underneath the waterline. Yes, that is beautiful. So I'm going to use my mascara. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty mascara, and this is Full Frontal in black. Just going to use that just to put it in my waterline. Alright, that is cute. I'm loving that. I'm telling you guys, this look is super easy and simple, but very dramatic and just beautiful to go out at night or celebrate something. But I'm going to clean out all this. Let me use a bigger brush. Clean this out. And I'm going to put highlight, and I'm going to be using the Laura Seller New York, and this is Glade Honey, and I'm going to place that on my nose. Look like a glazed donut. Alright, so now we're going to do our lips, and I want a brown lip color just for this eye look. So I'm going to be using this lip pencil right here, and it's in brown. And I'm going to be using my Miss Rose lipstick, and this is Angelique, and I got this from Amazon. I'm going to be using my Anastasia, and this is Dewy Set from Setting Spray. I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this birthday makeup tutorial. Super smoky, super brown, but I'm ready to head out to celebrate my birthday. I hope you guys enjoy this. But if you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.